Canada Theatre Performing Arts Job Websites at Curlie. Chapter 1. Canadian Theatre is alive and well. Canada Theatre subcategories at curlie.org/n/regional/north_america/canada/arts_and_entertainment/theatre. Subcategories: British Columbia, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Quebec. Backstage, colleges and departments, community theatre, festivals, playwrights, troupes and companies, venues, youth theatre. Canada Theatre websites at curlie.org/n/regional/north_america/canada/arts_and_entertainment/theatre. Designers.ca, Associated Designers of Canada, ADC. A national arts service organization and professional association promoting and protecting the interests of set, costume, lighting, and sound designers working in the performing arts in Canada. improv.ca, Canadian Improv Games. A non-profit organization dedicated to providing quality improvisational theatre training to teams of high school students across Canada. CanadianTheatre.com, Canadian Theatre Encyclopedia. Thorough coverage of present and past theatre news and productions. PlaywrightsGuild.ca, Playwright Guild of Canada. Service Organization for Canadian Playwrights. PAC.ca, Professional Association of Canadian Theatres. National Trade and Service Association representing professional English language theatre in Canada. RoyalMTC.ca, Royal Manitoba Theatre Centre. Regional theatre which has presented live on-stage entertainment to Winnipeg and Manitoba for over 50 years. SabotageTheatre.com, S.A. Boog Theatre. A critically acclaimed ensemble whose image-based physical performances create a dark and richly aesthetic theatrical universe. Montreal and New York. Simonovichprize.com, Simonovich Prize in Theatre. An annual theatre arts award which honors a professional director, playwright, or designer who advances Canadian theatre through a body of work achieved in recent years, while influencing and inspiring younger theatre artists. Slixer.com, Slixer Entertainment. Murder mystery events, dinners, weekends. Stageworthy.ca, Stageworthy. A podcast about people in Canadian theatre. TheatreCanada.com, Theatre Canada. Online directory for live Canadian theatres and planning guide for the theatre visitor. TheatreMuseum.ca, Theatre Museum Canada. Includes professional and amateur performing arts and theatrical events, ballet, circus, dance, magic, mime, opera, puppetry, revue, street theatre, theatre, and vaudeville. Canada Theatre Troupes and Company websites at curlie.org/n/arts/theatre/troupes_and_companies/north_america/canada. Subcategories: Alberta, British Columbia, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Quebec. Community Theatre. DancingSkyTheatre.com, Dancing Sky Theatre. A company committed to Saskatchewan stories and Canadian scripts. Pricing information, past and current event listings. Located in Meacham, Saskatchewan. heritage.nf.ca/art/firstlight.html, First Light Productions Theatre Company. A Canadian theatre company based in St. John's, Newfoundland, known for its theatrical tour of Bell Island, as well as its theatre performances 650 feet below the ground, in a restored mine. Quebec Theatre websites at curlie.org/fr/r%C3%A9 journal/am%C3%A9 @_art_et_culture/arts_do_spectacle/th%C3%A9%C3%A2 tray. Theatre Les Bâtisses Surs.com, Les Bâtisseurs de Montagne. Ce Theatre en et intimus de moins de cent places en formule cabaret presenti de comedies. Thetford Mines. Cabotins.com, Les Cabotins. Troupe de Theatre Amateur de Thetford Mines. CEAD.qc.ca, Centre d'Auteurs Dramatiques. Lieu de création dramaturgique, de ressources et de perfectionnement. Nem.umontreal.ca, Le Nouvel Ensemble Moderne. Projet de Theatre Musical organisé par l'ENEM pour son 15e anniversaire. Ondinnock.org, Ondinnock. Compagnie de Theatre qui s'est donne pour mission de créer un théâtre mythologique amérindien. PalaceDeGranby.com, Palace de Granby. Publie la programmation complète de spectacles pour la saison. Parmenu.com, Parmenu. Troupe de création et de tournée qui diffuse principalement au Québec mais aussi au niveau international. Theatrepatriote.com, Le Patriot. Au cœur de Laurentide, Ce Theatre Est, depuis 1968, un chef de file dans la présentation de spectacles, de grands de la chanson, de humoristes et de Miller's Productions pour Le Theatre d'Et. Saint Agathe de Mons. Réseaucentre.qc.ca, Réseau Centre. Resume les ressources et la programmation de spectacles dans plusieurs salles situées dans les cantons de l'Est, la Mauricie, le Centre du Québec et la région Chaudières Appalaches. Spectart.ca, Spectart. Salle de spectacles à Thetford Mines. StudioThéâtre.com, Studio Theatre Paul Hébert. Présentation de cette salle de spectacle de 145 places, Paris par Paul Hébert et situé dans la région de Thetford Mines. Theatrals.uqam.ca, Theatrals. Répertoire de plusieurs textes de théâtre et affiche également quelques peintures qui y sont reliées. Theatrebiscornu.com, Theatre Biscornu. Présentation de la compagnie et de SES Spectacles. Québec. Theatredelaville.qc.ca, Theatre de la Ville. Lieu de diffusion qui regroupe deux salles de spectacle. Longueuil. Theatre du Vieux-Terrebonne.com, Theatre du Vieux-Terrebonne, TVT. Salle de spectacle dans le Vieux-Terrebonne. Theatre-la-rubrique.com, Theatre La Rubrique. Acteur du développement culturel et social du Saguenay-Lac St. Jean voué au théâtre de création. tpacadi.ca, Théâtre populaire d'Acadie. Compagnie théâtrale proposant SES créations dans les provinces maritimes et dans la francophonie. Montreal Theatre websites at curlie.org/fr/r%c3%a9 journal/am%c3%a9 rik/canada/2%c3%a9 bec/municipalite%c3%a9s/m/montar%c3%a9 al/arts_culture/arts_do_spectacle/th%c3%a9%c3%a2 tray. Theatrebouchesdacousseuse.com, Bouches de Casseuse. Compagnie de Théâtre Jeune Public, contribue au développement d'une dramaturgie pour l'enfance depuis 1986. lecarrousel.net, Le Carousel. Cette compagnie offre des spectacles pour jeunes public et une approche qui se reflète aussi bien par les textes que par la mise en scène. leclu.qc.ca, Leclu. Destin au public adolescent, fond à l'automne 1989 par de jeunes comédiens professionnels. duceppe.com, la compagnie Jean Duceppe. Établi à la place de Arts depuis sa fondation en 1973 par ce comédien. espacego.com, Espacego. Theatre proposant de pieces d'auteurs contemporains. lni.ca, Ligue nationale d'improvisation. Information sur les équipes, calendrier de événements, résultats et comptes rendus de jeux, historiques, règles du jeu et références sur les joueurs. De mots de la dynamite.com, de mots de la dynamite. Set company proposed a spectacles interdisciplinaires. tnm.qc.ca, Nouveau Monde. Les Classiques, d'hier et de demain. Theatre d'aujourd'hui.qc.ca, Theatre d'aujourd'hui. Présentation du théâtre et programmation de deux salles, salle principale et salle Jean-Claude Germain. Theatre de la Source.qc.ca, Theatre de la Source. Produit de spectacles pour jeunes. Quatsus.com, Theatre de Quatsu. La plus ancienne compagnie théâtrale. Rideauvert.qc.ca, Theatre du Rideau Vert. Histoire, Programmation, Salle de Presse, Garderie. Hector-Charland.com, Theatre Hector Charland. Erage sur le site d'une des premières salles académiques du Québec. Theatre La Licorne.com, Theatre La Licorne. Direction artistique et la manufacture. ubucc.ca, Theatre Ubu. Compagnie Théâtrale cofondée par Denis Marleau. Ontario Theatre Companies at curlie.org/n/art/theatre/troops_art/north_america/canada/ontario. alumnitheatre.com, Alumni Theatre Company. A Toronto theatre company presenting classic and contemporary plays and provide opportunities for women in theatre. boundtocreate.com, B2C, Bound to Create Theatre. Theatre exploring dark themes, rich texts, and bold visual imagery through a fusion of artistic forms. Toronto, Ontario. Carouselplayers.com, Carousel Players. Inspiring and creative plays for children aged 5 to 15 in schools, theatres, and other venues. St. Catharines, Ontario. Center-Stage-Productions.com, Center Stage Productions. Theatre organization based in Burlington, Ontario, producing quality, affordable musical theatre entertainment for the community. Eldritchtheatre.ca, Eldritch Theatre. A Toronto-based theatre company producing works of the creepy and uncanny. Factorytheatre.ca, Factory Theatre. The first company in the nation to devote itself exclusively to producing Canadian plays. LakeviewArtsBarn.com/Globus-current-season, Globus Theatre Inc. Provides a platform for theatre professionals from around the world. Lindsay, on. OdysseyTheatre.ca, Odyssey Theatre. An open-air theatre company in Ottawa. Platypustheatre.com, Platypus Theatre. Presents symphony concerts for young audiences as the recipe to reach children with the magic of music, offering family and children's series, education concerts, in-school concerts and workshops. Ottawa, Ontario. PSFT.ca, Port Stanley Festival Theatre. On the shores of Lake Erie, presenting a summer season of plays for the whole family, and a winter music series. Rosspetty.com, Ross Petty Productions. Annual family musicals presented at the Elgin Theatre in Toronto. Gilberta and D. Sullivan.ca, the Scarborough Gilbert and Sullivan Society. Information on Gondolier's production, history archive, news, and links. Shawfest.com, Shaw Festival Theatre. Repertory theatre company performing plays by Bernard Shaw and his contemporaries. Niagara-on-the-Lake, Ontario, Canada. Soulpepper.ca, Soul Pepper Theatre Company. Toronto-based, classical repertory theatre company dedicated to presenting vital interpretations of history's greatest plays, and providing classical training, outreach and internship opportunities for young people. Springboardprod.tripod.com, Springboard Productions. Produces theatre by new artists to provide the opportunity to be seen by Torontonians. Suitcaseinpoint.com, Suitcase in Point Theatre Company. An independent theatre company in St. Catharines, Ontario who collaborate with a variety of artistic people to create new, original productions. TheatreAquarius.org, Theatre Aquarius. A theatre company founded in 1973 based in Hamilton, Ontario. TheatreBayUTheBay.com, Theatre by the Bay. Professional Shakespeare Company in Barrie, On, who also conduct a company for young people and offer a school visit program. TheatreKingston.com, Theatre Kingston. TheatreWorksProductions.com, TheatreWorks Productions. A small theatre company of local actors and directors in Toronto who present classical theatre productions. WhitbyTheatre.ca, Whitby Courthouse Theatre. A non-profit community organization located in the heart of Old Whitby, Durham Region. Members.tripod.com/whybythecow, Why Buy the Cow. Entertainment company. Formed to develop new plays for the Fringe of Toronto Festival, their mandate is to produce original and innovative plays.